Hello everybody, my name is Christina. Welcome to Nurseries. One of the most common questions that we get this time of year is, what do you recommend for my porch? I want something pretty and with flowers. Today I want to talk to you about hanging baskets that work perfectly for hard shade conditions, such as a front porch, all of which have really nice, beautiful flowers. The first one I want to talk to you about is Fuchsia. So this is a nice hanging basket. It can do part sun, part shade, so it'll be happy on a porch. And this is actually one of my personal favorites because I look at these leaves and they're like little ballerina dancers with their tutus and their legs sticking out the bottom. And I think it's just the most whimsical and beautiful flower around. The next one is Torenia. And this is a favorite of hummingbirds because it's got these long cone-shaped flowers that are perfect for a hummingbird beak. So if you want a flowering hanging basket that is going to work on your porch and it's also going to draw some hummingbirds that you can sit and watch from your front porch, this is going to be a perfect candidate for you. We also have hanging baskets that are mixtures of different plants that can work good on a shady area or porch. So this one has impatiens and it has the polka dot plant. And this is going to give you a really nice pop of bright color in a nice shady location. Finally, we have the begonias. Begonia hanging baskets are a favorite of just about everybody because they have these beautiful flowers. They flower for months and months at a time, and they're just real attention getters with their pretty bright leaves and their prettier bright flowers. So all of these are going to do good in shady conditions. So as long as most of them will want at least 2 to 4 hours of sun a day, and at that point, if you just give them sort of indirect light, they'll be fine. And all of these should be good for you until first frost. So I hope that has helped give you some ideas about what you can do to decorate a shady spot in your yard or add a pop color to your front porch. And we look forward to seeing you if you have any questions. Happy growing.